All right, so my name is Justin. I'm with Swimming Pool Services in Waukesha, Wisconsin. This is a video just explaining how a Pentair three-way valve works. It's very simple, not much to it, but sometimes they can be confusing for people because they're used to a ball valve that's used for indoor water or gas lines where parallel means on and perpendicular of the pipe means off. It is different with pool valves in general. The easiest way to remember how they work is where valves will have the word off on top of them. The Janny ones do as well as the Pentair ones. Wherever that word, the word off is, just pretend that that is a gate shutting off that pipe. So if I turn, see I have my labels here. This is my skimmer pipes. These are my main drain. If I have the valve turned this way, where the word off is facing the skimmer, we have now shut off the skimmer and we are only pulling water from the main drain. Vice versa, when I flip it the other way, 180, we're only pulling water from the skimmers and the main drain is shut off. Proper circulation for pools that have main drain and skimmer is that you're pulling from the main drain and the skimmer or skimmers at all times.